Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be telling you what type of eyeshadow palette you should go with. But before starting the video, if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for notification. I post reviews, DIYs and tutorials, so stay connected by subscribing. So the first eyeshadow palette is by Moda Cosmetics, and this one is in the matte form. Now this has very earthy shades and it has a dark grey, brown, a nude tone, a highlighter shade. So for someone who really likes earthy shades, then they can definitely buy this palette. So the second palette is this Maybelline Blush Nudes palette. So this has shimmer shades, it has two matte shades also. So someone who likes a little bit of sheen in their eyeshadow on daily basis or for a particular occasion, they can definitely buy this palette. I have a review for this palette, you can definitely check it out. Third eyeshadow palette is by Nicka and this is in the matte range. So if you're a beginner, then you should go for a palette like this only, because it has all the shades that you will require for your full face makeup. This one has 23 shades and it includes all the shades that you will require for your contour, for your highlight, for your eyebrows, for your eyeshadow. So this is one palette that you can definitely buy if you don't want to invest in a lot of single products, then you can definitely go with this palette. You can either buy this one or any other palette that include such shades. Since you're a beginner, then you will not feel comfortable to invest in a lot of different makeup products, so something like this will be really helpful. So it is not compulsory that you buy all the same eyeshadow palettes that I have shown. Definitely go for the same colors but in different eyeshadow palettes, whatever you like, whatever suits your budget. So this was all for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.